Now we present you double channel clear lipolysis machine. The machine 85 cm high and 60 kg in weight. 2 small wheels in front and 2 big wheels at back. On the top there is a bar. Can help you moving the machine easily. At the back there are 2 filter cups and 2 handle plug sockets. As we have 2 channels, that means any of 2 handles can work at the same time. The machine comes with 4 different size hand pieces: 100 mm, 150 mm, 200 mm, and cooling double chain handle. You can choose the right one according to the size of fat. This cup is a tool for add water into the machine, and this pipe is to dry water. The water must be distilled water and change water every 2 weeks. The measurer is to measure the thickness of fat, then preset temperature according to the thickness. After the handpiece is fixed on body, use the belt to hold the handle in case drop off. Now we demonstrate with handle 150 mm and a double chain. Now we take a look at the parameters on screen. Each handle is programmed with 3 automatic modes: Mode 1, Mode 2, Mode 3. Mode 1 is a comfortable mode. Mode 2 is a regular mode. Mode 3 is a strong mode. The automatic mode can also be adjusted freely to adjust to the most suitable parameters. The sign of sun stands for heat. The heating before cooling is to stimulate the blood circulation over the target area. By this way, there will be less bruising after treatment. The heating temperature range from 37 to 45 degrees. And the time range from 1 to 5 minutes. The cooling temperature range from 5 to minus 11 degrees. Here is temperature. Here is vacuum setting. Now we show with handle 150 mm and a double chain. 150 mm in channel left, double chain in channel right. Use the measurer to measure the thickness of fat. Before we put handle on body, we need to prepare the antifreeze membranes. Make sure the membranes in good position, very flat. Take the small one to clean the handle. Now we choose mode 2 according to the thickness of fat. And start suck the fat. Please pay attention. When you fix the handle, you must sitting down and relax. Remember, no lying down. It will be more easier to let the fat in. When the fat reaches to contact the bottom of silicone cup, we can click the button for second time. And the pressure keeps. Then use the belt to hold the handle. So the pressure don't need to be very high. We suggested 40 kappa, as the vacuum is only to help the fat go inside the handpiece. No need to be very high. Then we do the same thing again. Use the double chain handle in channel right. We choose mode 1. Double tray handle is not only to check on tray, but also some small body parts, such as waist and arm. Now the two handles are working at the same time.